Simple, it's either or deal. They cure the default in the rent and accept the lease, and we go on, or they don't, and they have to vacate the premises by Tuesday.
The judge, or whoever's left running Reagor Dykes these days, has to make another big decision, and they have to do it soon.
Yeah, the property owners of the Mitsubishi dealership off 82nd Street forcing Reagor Dykes to pay their debt, their rent, or get out. Reagor Dykes made a deal with the landlord when first going into bankruptcy, only paying a portion of their lease and then putting off the rest for later. And now it is later.
Yeah, KMAX Tori Larned joins us now from the Mitsubishi dealership in town. Tori, what other options does Reagor Dykes have at this point?
Well, Brian, Reagor Dykes had the chance to pay up today, but the landlord's lawyer says they never got the money. So now they have one more option, and that's to pay up by next week, or they'll have to get this entire dealership off this lot. But really, it's the landowners who are missing out on the most.
It makes it difficult for them to service their debt because they're not getting paid.
When Reagor Dykes declared bankruptcy, the landlords of the Mitsubishi dealership, 82nd Street Investments, and Lubbock Windmill Real Estate made a deal with them.
Of that $55,000 rent, money that was due each month, we entered into an agreement blessed by the bankruptcy court in a series of orders that allowed them to pay just $30,000.
Bernie Bass, the landlord's lawyer, says the remainder of that rent would have to be paid back later.
Every month they're getting a little further behind.
Now the deal is at its end, and Reagor Dykes owes more than $350,000 in rent and property taxes.
Then they have until next Tuesday, March the 5th, to pay the rent, but then the property taxes go up with the 1st of March, addition of penalty and interest.
If Reagor Dykes doesn't pay their rent, they'll be forced to leave the property. Bass says that also means the landlords get none of their money and still have to pay their property tax.
Are pretty well aware of the tremendous economic impact that this has had on Lubbock and the Lubbock community.
While he doesn't know what Reagor Dykes plans to do, he hopes his clients get the check they deserve.
Oh, I guess maybe patients about as sick have survived the operating table, but it's going to take a miracle.
If I step out of the way for just a second, you can see that this lot is completely empty. And when I asked Bass if he thinks Reagor Dykes will pay next week, all he could say was, "I hope so." Reporter from South Lubbock, I'm Tori Larned, KMAC News.